Hi, I am back on YouTube again today to do not what I want to call necessarily a makeup tutorial, but my boyfriend and I decided to be Pamela Anderson and Tommy Lee for Halloween. All of this. And so today I'm gonna do a trial run of the makeup Pam Anderson wore in Barbed Wire. Really popular costume now. The images have gotten huge on Instagram. Kendall Jenner was Barbed Wire. Cardi B was Barbed Wire. And I've seen a lot of people do it on TikTok and here, so I wanted to give it a try and do a little trial run. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start out any eyeshadow look, as my primer, I use a MAC paint pot in Bare Study. I've been using this for 1,000 years, just kidding. But pretty much ever since I started wearing makeup, I use this. I warm it up in my fingers like this. And then I put it on my eyelids. I use Bare Study because it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So it looks nice even on its own. To start off, I'm just gonna go in. This is a really dark smoky eye look. So, oh, I use the, it's so beat up. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm going in with the color Noir and I'm just gonna make a black base. It's gonna look crazy, but bear with me. Sometimes like when I realize I'm like filming me doing my makeup on YouTube, I'm like, are you delusional? Yeah. Okay, it looks crazy. Just bear with me. We're bearing with her. Now I'm gonna go in with, what should I do here? I'm gonna go in with this color Slate. I'm gonna go in with this color Cyborg that's like a shimmery shimmer town. Yeah, that looks pretty sick. Okay, cool. Now I am taking eye makeup remover and a little cotton thing and we're gonna fix the shape. We're just gonna touch up the outer corner. Okay, cool. So now I have this little situation going on. It looks like crazy on this eye on camera. Does it look normal? I like don't like doing makeup. It's so crazy. I used to love it so much. Why am I doing this for fun? This is not fun for me. But now I'm committed. Now I started, like I can't let myself stop. So now I am going to do it. Interestingly, she has this like blue accent on her top lid, so I'm gonna hit that. MAC Fix Plus, this is a small one because it is a special edition flavor. It's coconut flavored, which is pretty hilarious. Tropical. I do this just to get it a little wet. And then I got this random palette actually last Halloween from Ulta. I don't even know what the fuck this is, but it was cheap and I wanted something that had 100 million colors in it that were super pigmented, so that I got. And it has this blue right here, this like shimmery blue, so I'm gonna use that on my top lid to get this fun little blue accent. Okay, fun. Oh, look how cool this looks. Okay, cool. We're really coming together now. Okay, now we're gonna do her under eye, which I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm not gonna clean it, I'm lazy. I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna go under with black, with a matte black color. How crazy do I look? Oh my God, it looks insane. Definitely look like a rock star's wife. So there's that. I'm gonna clean it up a little more with some makeup remover. A lot of glitter. Now, I don't like foundation. I don't really wear foundation, but I do have a foundation that I use like twice a year when I want to wear foundation. This is one of those 2 times, and it's the Tarte, it's so dirty. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in light medium sand. I put it on with my hands. Call the police, I don't care. This is just how I live my life. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. Love a full name. I use the shade 185. I'm gonna put just like a little bit on top of my brows. Yeah. Do I look pretty? Then I take a beauty blender. Fine, I'll take my time. Okay, this is what we've got so far. I'll be right back. Okay, you know what? I was going to take photos of myself as like a step-by-step process, and I realized it looks crazy. So we're just gonna keep going. My next step, I use and have always used MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. I'm using shade Light Plus, and this is the MAC 170 brush. Already got it all over myself, okay. Cake the face. I looked at it close up and it looks like from here, it looks crazy. From there, it looks, we're just having fun today. Now that I've done that, my next natural step is to use bronzer. She doesn't have a lot of bronzer on. It wasn't really a big thing back then. I'm just kind of gonna do this for me, just like a little, a little chiseling of the face, and then I'll go in with some blush. This is a big blushy era. I'm just gonna use a classic NARS Orgasm blush. Pretty. People love blush. Sure, it's nice, I guess. Indifference. Okay, pretty. I feel like it's starting to come to life. Now, this is the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. As I put this on cheekbones, my brow bone. Looks like that, pretty. Now's the tricky part, figuring out how am I gonna do these brows. If I just draw like a line. Oh yeah, okay, that works. It's a thin brow. Okay, cool. And then lip liner is crucial here. I know exactly what combo I'm gonna do. I'm actually going to prep my lips first. Okay, great. The secret to having nice lips, I'm like just about out of this. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. The key, don't just wear it when you're sleeping. The best thing about this, actually a makeup artist showed it to me probably like 2 or 3 years ago. She was like, this is the only lip balm that like doesn't slide or like go anywhere. It's like sticks. So now that that's on, I am going to use a MAC lip liner in Whirl, and I'm gonna overline the lips a little bit to look like Pam. Did you catch me checking myself out just then? Does this look crazy? No, it looks like the picture. Now, let's try this. Oh yeah, this is sick. Okay, I'm using, this is actually, this is Agent Provocateur lipstick. It came with a set, LOL. It is in the shade Lacy. It's so pretty though. I feel like that's on brand for Pam. She's a lingerie gal. Oh my God, I forgot like such important stuff. I forgot. I'm going to do my eyeliner because I forgot to. So this is MAC Eye Kohl in Foam Number. Excuse me. Yay, okay, now we look normal. I was like, I was like, something's missing. There's that. Oh my God, I look like her. Great. Then I'm going to go in with Revlon liquid liner pen, and I'm going to do a thin line, like very close to my lashes. Oh my god, okay. Now I am just going to set this look with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh my god, I forgot to do mascara. What the fudge? Is my, okay, like what's my problem? I forgot to put mascara on. I'm on another planet today. Okay, we're gonna curl the lashes. I use and have always used Maybelline mascaras. This is the Lash Sensational. I can already like smell the comments that are gonna come from like the men watching this being like, you look better without makeup. No one asked, first of all, and this isn't about what you think, it's about what I'm doing that I think is fun and what other women think is fun, and we all love makeup and we love wearing it, and I'm a Halloween character today, so please don't comment that. If you wrote that and then got to this point in the video, go delete your comment. Wow, okay, now I'm done. Here's the final look. I think it looks really sick. Super excited. I mean, I know it's not perfect, but this works for Halloween. So let me go put on my costume, do my hair a little bit, and I'll be right back. Okay, warning, I look fucking amazing. Look what I did. And the hair, I just like curled it, and I used this Oribe texturizing dry shampoo spray. I'm not gonna shake it, but like, I don't know what, I've just been like shaking it around and it landed like this. So it like looks very, just need a little volume. And then, just wait, I got the gloves. Sorry, I have gum in my mouth. Look at this. Look at how sick she looks. I would say that this is a massive success. I will say that I have had people tell me I look like Pam Anderson prior to shooting this, so I feel like, you know, because I have blonde hair, I have blue eyes, I have like, we have like a similar nose, I've got lips, like we have a similar thing going, so like it wasn't extreme, like I wasn't doing like a full face transformation, it wasn't like I was trying to make myself look like somebody who looks nothing like me, but I think it's just the little things. It's the smoky eye, it's the little brow, and it's the liner and the hair that really transform it. How fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I inspired you to have a fun time on Halloween. Don't take yourself too seriously. Clearly I don't. If you like this video, please, 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 please share it. Subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, we're going for engagement. Comment below what you're gonna be for Halloween so that we can all celebrate Halloween together. Yeah, sounds good. I'll see you guys next time. Hi, it's me. Hi, it's me, Pam Anderson. All right, bye guys.